Hello friends, grammar tutorial number 303. Now you have got synonymous prepositions. That means we have done quite a lot of work on prepositions. Now we are coming to the end. Here we have several meanings can be expressed by more than one preposition, and that's why we say synonymous prepositions. Here we have got by and near. See the sentence example. They live by the school, they live near the school. He stands by him, he stands near him. Understand? So that way. She stood next to him, she stood beside him. You can say they live next to the station, they live beside the station. The bucket was lying behind the wall. The bucket was lying in the back of the hall. Wall, not hall. The bucket was lying behind the wall, behind and in the back of it. Interchangeable. Fourth one, we hung the portrait over the fireplace. We hung the portrait above the fireplace. Either over or above. We kept the statue over the building or above the building. It's both same. Sixth one, he hid himself under the bridge, underneath the bridge. Both are possible. Or beneath the bridge. One more possibility is there. Beneath. Underneath, and beneath. So here also you can say beneath. One more possibility is there. So he hid himself under the bridge, underneath the bridge, beneath the bridge. Same meaning. Seventh, please sign below the line, under the line. But very often we prefer below the line. Eighth, they look at the Himalayas, they look toward the Himalayas. Some days you can also see here, they look to Himalayas. Look to, that's also a possibility, but very often we prefer this. This toward and at and toward. It is a 4:45, it is a 4:45. But preferred is 4:45. Off, somebody uses off, you cannot say it's wrong. Go for a tour in summer, go for a tour during summer. Time, during summer. Go for it. So, in and during. Now once again say by and near. By and near, same. Next to and beside, same. Behind and the back of, same. Over, above, same. Past, by, same. Under, underneath, beneath, same. Below, under, same. At, toward, to also. At, toward and to also, because I have used it in a book, but that is not preferred. That's why I did not bother to write it there. Then to, of, and in, during. These are synonymous prepositions. As I told you, one meaning can be expressed by more than one preposition. So you have got options. You can use either in or you can use during. Time. Time for it. And here also you find 2 of 9 and 10, that concerns time. And 1 and 7, that concerns mainly space, location. Understand? That is, I think it is clear to you what we must do, including myself, you also, that make as many sentences as possible as examples and learn. That's the best thing to do. Hope that you are following. We have almost come to the end of the discussion on prepositions. So from tomorrow we will start our exercises. Simple exercises will be there, and we can, together we will be answering the questions. And somehow we should manage, we should master this area of grammar, that is prepositions. Hope that we will do this. Let us be optimistic. And we won't make mistakes in the use of prepositions in English. And that will be a great achievement for me as well as for you. So bye, have a nice time, enjoy your life.